Jati, Chief Mahood Sulaiman, welcoming all of you to Elephants at Play. Let's move on, everyone. Now, elephants, they are the largest living land mammal in the world today. And upon being fully grown, they can weigh as much as 4,000 kilograms and sometimes even more. Well, despite being that heavy, they have got an excellent sense of balance, as Aprila is demonstrating to all of you by walking on that narrow tree log. Right now, she's already doing a half turn on that narrow tree surface. She's trying to impress all of you. Almost there. And nicely done, Aprila. Right now she's moving forward and she's going to move backwards. Well, those of you with cameras, you might want to get them on standby because she is going to end things off with a nice 2-footed salute. There you go. Thank you, Aprila. Again, like I said earlier on, an Asian elephant, just like Aprila here, can easily weigh up to 4,000 kilograms, whereas our mahouts will never weigh anywhere close to that. So right now, let's watch as the mahouts effectively guide their elephants by using some simple, basic vocal commands. Now, elephants on standby, elephants ready, mahouts are ready. Let me get the mahouts for you. Good afternoon, mahouts.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. Can we have the elephants turn to their right, please? Now you see a few commands from the mahouts, the elephants will turn to their right. To the left would be just the same. Elephants listening up to the commands from the mahouts, and the elephants will turn to their left. Are you all impressed? Mahouts, no one was impressed. Okay, let's impress everyone. Okay, let's make our elephants fly. Yeah. Okay, first you check this out with the propelling of the drum, the flapping of the ears, 1 foot on the ground, and here's the takeoff. Where's it? Okay, we're just kidding. Elephants cannot fly. At least we tried. So let's watch more of the mahouts guiding skills. Can we have the elephants move backwards now? Okay. Given the commands, the elephants will move backward, and forward would be just the same as turning right, turning left, moving backwards. Right now, our elephants are moving forward. Now you see the mahouts drop the anchors. We don't worry. Elephants to the rescue, returning the anchors to their favorite mahouts. Thank you, ladies. A nice salute for everyone in front. Well, the elephant's trunk is an extension of his upper lip consisting of over 40,000 muscle units. So it's strong enough to carry and pick up logs, but also gentle and sensitive enough to pick up a coin. So Clement has got a coin. He places it on the ground. What Gambe is going to do, she looks for the coin, she picks it up, and she passes it over to her favorite mahout. Clement, I think that was actually pretty cool, but it's a bit too small. Not everyone can see. Your head, okay? We use the head. Alright, so Gambe, pick up the head. The same thing with the coin, okay? Just pick up the head. You put it on Clement's head. Ready? Okay, she picks up the hat. Now place it on Clement's head. Clement's head, Gambe, not your head. You know what, Gambe? You try one more time, okay? It does look good on you, but it's a bit too small for such a big head. Let's try one more time, but this time a different technique is used. She's going to... suck up the hat. Now check this out, everyone. She makes her way closer to Clement, and she takes a careful aim. She And the pair exchanges handshakes and words of thanks and appreciation. Thank you, Gambe. Now let's top that off with a nice big juicy elephant tea. Lucky you, Clement. Okay, with that, let's move on to the show. Like I said, their trunk is very strong. So right now, they are going to push locks using their trunk. No? Why, Gambe? What does she want, Clement? Oh, you forgot the reward after the kiss. No wonder. You want the carrot? Okay, in it goes. Thank you, Gambe. Thank you, Clement. Now, they've named the largest living land mammal because of their size. Their strength is unfathomable. The African elephants are larger. Asian elephants have proven to be the strongest species despite their smaller size. So right now, let's focus our attention center stage. We have got Aprilla. What she's doing, she's using her hind legs to easily kick and roll along right into the waters. Now, first during this segment, you get to see the teamwork between the mahoos and the elephants as they try to compete. Each task given to them successfully. Oh, almost there. Aprilla got a little stuck, so you have to adjust it nicely and give it one last kick. In that log. Good job, Aprilla. You didn't have to look as well. Now, nicely for everyone right in front. Thank you, sweetheart. Well, elephants pretty massive in size, so that means they are pretty strong animals as well. So right now, what they have got with them are coconuts. They are going to crush their coconut on the foot. So Gambe has got her coconut, Aprilla has got hers as well. So ready, ladies? Listen up. One for Gambe, wow. The other one for Aprilla, as easy as crushing a peanut. Now try doing this at home. Trust me, you will not go very far without any tools. Now first focus your attention over to your right hand side. Janti is going to show you just how strong her massive hip and trunk power is with a few simple push. She's going to push, 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 and hit that local huge flashes. Good job, Janti. Your left hand side, Gabriel does the same. One simple push in the lock process. What they are going to do right now, they are going into the waters, they are going to push their logs back out to land. So meanwhile, let me tell you a bit more about our ladies here. Over to your left hand side, that is Gambe. Gambe is our 26 years old Malaysian elephant. Now Gambe is said to be the cheekiest elephant, at the same time she's also very gentle and sweet. She's often brought up to people and even children. Now over to your right hand side, you see the smallest elephant in our herd. Now that is Aprilla. Aprilla also has got her half sister with her here in the zoo. Our half sister is Intan. Intan is not on show today, she's on a break. So Aprilla is the one doing the show today, and looks like she's going to start pushing first. Wow, Aprilla is pretty fast today. Okay, come on Aprilla, almost there. And Aprilla is done. Good job Aprilla, left hand side Gambe, catching up really fast. Good job to you too, Gambe. Now, Aprilla is the youngest elephant at 20 years of age. Aprilla came all the way from Indonesia. Well, the reason why we named her Aprilla is simply because she was born in the month of April. Right at the back, you see the bigger elephant, that is Jati. Jati is our 30 years old Malaysian elephant. Now, Jati is learning more and more each day the makings of the next matriarch. Well, if any of our younger elephants start fighting amongst themselves, Jati is always there on standby to break up those fights. Rakumali is the one over to extreme left hand side. You might be able to see her silhouette over there. Rakumali is the oldest elephant at 45 years of age. She's a retired show elephant. Aprilla is almost done. Good job, Aprilla. Nice of you to end things up. Okay, let's tone things down for a little while. Let's focus attention over to our two bigger elephants. We have got Jati to your left, Gambe to your right. What the mahoos are going to demonstrate to you is how mahoos in Sri Lanka and India actually measure and gauge the height of an elephant. Well, simple tools are needed, such as a piece of rope. With that rope, you measure the front foot circumference of the elephant, and with the measurement that you have got, you double it by 2, and you use it again. You measure it from the top shoulder blade of the elephant right down to the front foot. So you get the gauge of the elephant's height. So let's see who's ready. Gambe first. bulldozer. And of course, being that tall, how do the Mahoos give their elephants a thorough scrub down every morning for their elephant bath? Elephants have got to lie down on their sides. So with one simple word from our Chief Mahoos Sulaiman, all the elephants are going to lie down. So let's check this out. Let me get Sulaiman for you. Okay, elephants have to be ready first. And ready? Sulaiman? Good afternoon, Sulaiman. Can we have the elephants lie down with one word, please? Now the word Hida is said. Hida actually means lie down in Sinhalese. So the reason why we use the language Sinhalese here is because Komali came from Sri Lanka. She was trained in the language Sinhalese, and in tradition, we pass it down to all the other elephants that came to our zoo. Okay, so Aprila is down. Always so eager to lie down. Gambe is down. We got one more elephant to go. Okay, let's get Jati. Sulaiman, Gambe is telling you that you forgot about Jati. Huh? I don't know what you're saying. All the elephants have to lie down. No, I never said two, I say all. Jackie, can you lie down, please? I say everyone have to lie down. No, cannot. Oh dear. She don't. Sulaiman. This one very easy. Give her a present and then she's going to lie down. What present you have? Yes. Okay, we give you the carrot, Jati, you lie down, okay? In it goes. Now you cannot shake your head. The carrot is already in your mouth. You have to lie down. Cannot. You know what? I think the carrot is not as nice as the apple. Give her the apple. How about the apple? You don't want it? You want the apple? What you? Oh dear. Okay, never mind. We don't need apple. We don't need the carrot. We need the bananas. Clement, can we give the banana? Gambe is sleeping. Oh, she take the carrot. She don't want to lie down. Give her the banana, Sulaiman. Sulaiman, take the. Careful, Clement. You will roll down later. If you don't want the bananas. She's very picky today. You know what she wants? She wants her favorite fruit. Durian. Where's the durian? Durian, Aidil. Are you telling me we have no more durian? No more? Oh, she don't want the durian. Okay, I'll ask her. Jati, you don't want the durian? That's what you need? Twigs, leaves and branches? Yes? Okay. I will give her some time. She's a trees an elephant, the oldest elephant, also the cheekiest as well. So she's going to find herself a nice, comfortable spot before she goes down. Finally. Okay. You ready now? You just have to lie down. Sulaiman, why is she not lying down? What's that? Natural behavior. Oh, before she lies down, she's getting rid of the dust and insect on the leaves. It's like fluffing our pillows. Huh? What? Oh. She wants her bananas. Okay. Down you go, Jati. Okay, very nice. Good job, Jati. Now everyone get back up. Jati, you took a while, but you also have to get up, okay? Because it's time for the token feeding session. Up. What? Dah habis. Haven't finished. Wake her up. Gambe. Wake her up. Jati, I'm sorry. You have to get up. Come on, let's be fair. Wake her up. Sulaiman, it's not working. Oh, okay, first we need your help. Why not you clap your hands? You stomp your feet. other elephant. Aprila, Aprila. Aprila, do you understand what Gambe said? No? Why? Aprila from Indonesia. Gambe from Malaysia. Language barrier. You got common language, we try English. What did she say now? Do you understand? Okay, Aprila understand. Do you understand, Sulaiman? Huh? Okay, Gambi will show me. I didn't understand whatever Sulaiman said. It's okay. Gambi is going to show me. You know what, Gambi? I think I got the idea. A very good one at that. You suck up a lot of water. Sneak up Pujati. You have to aim carefully, Gambi, right on the face. And out she comes with a wet surprise. Well, you know what? I think it's about time to end the show. And with that, Sulaiman, take a look at With that, here comes the end of our elephant's presentation entitled The Elephants at Play. So before the ladies go, this is their way of thanking you for joining us here today. Now once again, let's give it up for our Asian elephants along with the upper hooves. So this show was proudly brought to you by partners in conservation, Mitsui and Co. As said earlier on, those of you who like to feed our elephants, all you have to do is on the other end, all you have to do is head down over to Central Hut D, where I am standing. Make a queue right in front of me here. So for just a small token contribution of $5, you will receive your own basket of fruits. You and your whole family will get to come in and feed the elephants. Now just so you know, we do not have any change, so try to bring exact $5, okay? And also, because we have a limited number of baskets, please purchase one basket per family. You can share the fruits, all of you can come in. Okay, if you purchase one basket per family, at least most of us here will get a chance to feed the elephants. Thank you.